welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today I'm excited. We're gonna be decorating for Valentine's Day. I think we're only going to do my main living room and the kitchen, and then we are gonna decorate this room, which is it used to be our dining room, now it's a sitting room, just because we never used the dining room and we actually use the sitting room now. So I'll probably just decorate this, maybe hints of pink, I don't know. I don't want to buy new things. I do every year just because it's fun, but this year we're trying to save some money, 2026, okay? I did get like 2 new things, so that's exciting. Anyways, let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna go get my bins, see what I have. That's what I normally do, is I'll pull out everything and then kind of just shop, like if it's a store, and then decorate little areas. So I think I'm gonna start with the living room, so let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so here these are the 2 bins that I have all my stuff in. Like I said earlier, I like to take out just everything, kind of just set it out, see what I have, because what if I leave it in the bin, it kind of just, I forget about the stuff, which actually happened to me in the video, because I was like, oh, the rest of it is just flowers. But if I would have taken everything out, I would have realized, oh, you have more flowers than you think. And a part of the video, you'll see that I say, oh, I'm not going to decorate this because I don't see anything that I could use. And literally, you know, later on, I find something that I can use. So it's just better to put everything out, have it laid out so that you can see everything that you have and kind of just shop your own stuff. Oh my gosh, I was watching... what is it? Oh, it's called Night Action on Netflix. It's really good. If you haven't watched it, watch it. The new season is coming out, I think February 18th or something like that. My son put me on and I was like, oh, this is really good. So I was watching it as I was decorating, which is why you'll see me look up a few times because I actually finished. I can't even admit this. Guys, I finished the whole 2 seasons in like 3 days. It was my days off. Oh my gosh, that's really bad. But this day specifically, I finished like half of the whole season because it was just going while I was cleaning and while I was, you know, decorating and stuff. So, you know, it just distracts me from doing work all the time in a good and a bad way. But what I am missing in my decorations, which you'll see at the end, but I didn't get to put any like pink. First of all, I can't find my pink blanket. I don't know where it is. And second of all, I had pink throw pillows that I put on the couch, but I don't know. I put them on the other one because I don't really like them anymore and they kind of just look bad on my couch. So I was like, you know what? Let me just leave it plain. I wasn't trying like to be like super extra, which I still think it came out really cute if I do say so myself. But I am missing throw pillows for my couch. Maybe I'll add it on. Maybe I'll just wait till next year to buy this stuff because like I said, this year is my goal is to like save some money. I want to pay off some credit cards and, you know, just like work towards my goals. So shopping is not really a part of that goal right now. You know, I'm still going to shop. Don't get me wrong. But, you know, I'll be a little bit more like, do you really need this? Are you sure? You know, normally I'm like, I love it. Put it in the cart. I don't care. Literally, that is me. But this time I'm going to be like, do you really, really love it? Do you really, really need it? You know, like that. Anyways, so yeah, I think everything came out really cute. I changed around some stuff and you'll see it all the way at the end. I kind of show everything like in slow motion and like in a, you know, cute little way. But I love how the living room turned out and it just is so cozy. And, you know, I enjoyed my plain living room because I left it like without decorations for like a good week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. And then now it's like back decorated and it's like, you know, I like it. I enjoyed my little time with nothing and now I'm enjoying having my decorations back. Guys, my dining table, ugh, I hate it. Like, Lord, thank you for my dining table because I have one, right? Some people don't even have one. But I don't know. I really don't like it. I wish I could just, I have one in my cart that I want, but it's just not what we're trying to do right now. So I keep telling myself, Caroline, just, let it be. It'll be okay. Wait till you have the cash. Like, don't try to put it on a credit card. So that's what I'm doing. My niece made this for me, so I want to show it off in my dining table. At first, I was trying to get one on Facebook Marketplace because, you could get some good stuff there. However, you have to have cash. So, and I have it sometimes, but I'm like, do I want to spend it on a table or would I rather go shopping or, so I normally choose to pick something else than the table. So yeah, that's why I don't have a table. Anyways, so I am doing some cleaning in this video, so you will get a little bit of motivation to clean. I was mostly wiping down because I did a deep clean when I took down my decorations for Christmas. So that deep clean was already done. So this is just kind of like wiping down and, just getting everything wiped down. How many times did I say wiped down? Anyways, but I'm kind of proud of myself. I feel like I did such a good job with like using all my stuff that I already had for so long that is like, it's like, dang, I really didn't need to shop. Like, every year I'm like, oh, I have to get this, I have to get that, and I really don't. Oh my gosh, I'm about to show you guys in a little bit what is it, like a picture? I think it's a picture. It's so cute. It's one of the things that I literally got two things. I got the kitchen towels, which I'm about to show you. And then I got that picture that I put flowers in. It's so cute. I love it. I got it from Ross. Both of those things are from Ross. And I told myself, okay, this is something that I have to have. Like, I would literally be sad if I went home without it. So, see, that's the towels that I got. And I think they're really cute. And the throw pillows that I have in my cart on Amazon look exactly like that with that print. And it's like lacy or girly. I don't know. See, that's the picture. Oh, it's so cute. And I love how it looks in the kitchen with the book. It's so cute. Okay, so I always put a coffee cup in, like here in my coffee maker. She's about 10 years old. I love her. Okay, she's not bougie. She's not the prettiest, right? But she works. And now, if you know, the new Keurigs, you need to have distilled water or they go bad. So I put fridge water in here and it's been like that and it's never gotten messed up. And Lord protect her. No, I'm being dramatic, but I really do love my coffee maker. So, which my husband and I were talking about getting a new like coffee setup, but we don't know about that yet. We definitely won't get rid of this, but we'll probably be adding. Anyways, so I always like to put a little cup. I put water and a drop of dish soap in here because she likes to drip like 1 or 2 after coffee's already done. So yeah, we put this here. I'm so silly. No, but seriously, I put this here because it does drip and I don't know, it looks cute. I want to have a cup there, but if I leave it dry, the coffee gets like stains the bottom of the cup. So if you put water and a little bit of dish soap, it won't do that. And then if it gets like ugly and nasty, I just kind of dump it out, rinse it, and then add a little bit more. So normally I decorate a lot here. I don't think I'm gonna do anything. I don't have anything that's like sticking out to me. I don't know, I might, but. So I recently moved our toaster on this side. It used to be over here, but yeah, I'm gonna get a new toaster. I'm gonna get the one that matches this air fryer. I just haven't placed the order really. That's the only excuse I have. But I do have it on the counter because we use our toaster pretty much every single morning. So I don't want to be putting it, like taking it out, putting it back on the counter. So I'm gonna replace it. I think I'm gonna get a smaller one, just like a 2-toast one, instead of like the huge one, because it's fine and it'll be smaller, less space. So I think I'm gonna leave this like this. It'll look cuter once I have the matching toaster. So this area, I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. Yeah, so after this, I put the flowers here, but then in the next clip, you'll see that I hadn't done it yet, but I kind of just didn't want to leave it like all the way at the end, because when I was done decorating, I found this and I was like, oh my gosh, I normally put this in the kitchen. So I put it in the kitchen and it looks really cute. And it like made that little section a lot cuter. I still haven't ordered the toaster. I'm just cheap, guys. It's literally $40. And I'm like, do I want to spend $40? Maybe I should just ask Chad to buy it for me and not use my own money for it, you know? So I might just ask him to buy it for me. That way I don't have to spend my money for it. And it's a mess here. Guys, I've been doing, oh my gosh. I know I'm talking a lot, but that's the point. I want to talk instead of put music, because I feel like when I watch videos I follow this one girl specifically, and she always talks in her videos. She just yaps, okay? She literally talks the entire time, and her videos are long. Her videos are like 45 minutes of her doing I don't know what, and she just talks, and I love it, because sometimes I'm just like, you know, watching while I'm doing something, and she's just talking. I'm listening to her while, yeah, it's kind of like a podcast. So this is my mini podcast, the most boring podcast you'll ever hear. Anyways, it's okay. What was I gonna say? Oh my gosh, I forgot. That's why I gotta just talk when my brain is working. Anyways, I've been making my creamers, my own creamer, because if you look at the ingredients in your creamers, guys, like one of the main ingredients is like oils. Okay, what? We're opening our stomach with oils well, first of all, we're using coffee. Okay, coffee is already bad, but we're adding oils? No. So instead, I just add sugar and cream, which is still bad, but it's not. Oils make you have inflammation. So that's why oh my gosh, I just got stuck staring at the TV. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's a little tidbit. You could see my girdle that I have on. Guys, it's literally the best shapewear I've ever worn. I got it off of TikTok. If you want the link, let me know. It literally sucks you in all the right places, and it's so comfortable. You feel like put together, and I literally wear it every single day. Even like when I'm just like in the house doing nothing, I put it on and it just makes you feel better. So, and everybody's been like, wow, your body looks so nice. I'm like, girl, it's a girdle. Stop playing. They're like, really? And if you know me in real life, you know that I'm always straightforward. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, how it is. I don't lie. I have zero reason to hide anything. And so I every time someone's like, oh my gosh, your body's so nice. Girl, it is not my body. It's this girdle I got on. Stop playing. This thing, it does miracles. So if you want the link to the girdle, let me know. My shirt was too short and it was kind of getting on my nerves, but I realized it when I was already downstairs, and who's going back upstairs to change? Not me. So I was like, you know what? They're just going to have to see my girdle, and it'll remind me to to tell you guys about how great it is. And it's only $40 on TikTok. So I could send you the link if you want. I have multiple of them, and I can give you the 411 if you want to know. Just let me know in the comments. But yeah, and then down here, this room always gets like the leftovers. It's like all the stuff that I didn't use in the other rooms, and okay, what am I gonna do with it? Which I think it came out okay. I don't like that marble tray there, and I keep looking at it because I've left it like that. But the reason I put it there is because I'm like, oh, we can maybe put keys in there. That's stupid. Who's going to put keys in there? Like, I don't need to take my keys out of my purse because it's a remote. Anyways, my brain said that would be a good idea. And it's been there, and it's bothering me that it's there
because it just doesn't look right. But it's okay. It's going to stay there. I'm not moving it. It's not bothering me that bad that I'm going to like move it. Sometimes things bother me really bad and I have to move it. Like I'll literally be relaxing and it'll bother me so bad that I have to just get up and I have to move it. So yeah, I got this sign. I think I got it from Target and I love it. It says, what does it say? Forever and always. Just so cute. And then, oh my gosh, my rug for outside this one is so cute. And then the one for outside is really cute too. I was gonna buy a new one, to be honest, but it was sold out. My Texas, the line that's at Walmart, My Texas Home or something like that. They have really cute ones, and I was gonna get one, but they were sold out, which is literally the only reason I didn't get it. But then I was like, dang, I'm glad I didn't, because this one is literally brand new. I ended up finding it last year towards the end of the season, and I didn't get to use it that long. So I'm glad I got to use it this year. But it makes me happy when I walk up to my front door, and it's cutesy. I don't know. I love it. And I kept it simple. I could really use a little table there in the outside, but it's fine. So this is how everything turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you got some motivation to do something in your home. Add a little pink, a little sparkle, a little something in your home to give it that little jazz, or that, ooh, mom did something today. Or if you don't have kids, your fur babies, I don't know, whatever you have. But I hope that you guys enjoyed, and make sure your notification bell is on so you get notified every time that I post. Okay, love you guys. Bye.